In the competitive world of serviced accommodation, your first impression is your only impression. Welcome to Stanmore, where we're showcasing how professional cinematography transforms a standard listing into a high-performing asset. For investors and property managers, high-quality visual storytelling isn't just a luxury, it's a direct driver of occupancy and daily rates. We focus on capturing the lifestyle and connectivity of the area, like Stanmore's lush green parks and its seamless 35-minute link to central London, ensuring your potential guests see the value before they even step inside. Our interior captures are designed to answer a guest's questions before they ask them. We use professional lighting and wide-angle perspectives to showcase the 4-bedroom layout without distortion, emphasizing the spaciousness of the kitchen and dining areas. Notice how we highlight key selling points like this versatile ground floor, bedroom, and adjacent shower room, crucial for accessibility-conscious travelers. For essay management companies, this level of detail builds trust, reduces inquiry times, and sets a premium standard that stands out on platforms like Airbnb and Booking.com. From private gardens to corporate-ready workspaces, we capture the details that close bookings. Elevate your property portfolio with professional photography and videography tailored for the modern investor. Let's make your next listing your most successful one. Contact us today to book your shoot.